Hello guys, today we are going to unbox the iPad that came with the A16 chip, and it's an 11th generation iPad model with 128 GB storage, 6 GB RAM, and it comes in the blue color. Let's look at the box. What's in the box? The box comes with the typical branding on the both side with an apple, and it's of the blue color. After opening, you can see that I have already actually opened this while I was at the shop, and I repacked to show you. The iPad came with a charger and the cable of pretty much good quality, just like other iPads, and some leaflets, but without Apple stickers. And I'm very fond of Apple stickers. The last iPad that I have was an iPad Air 2 in the 2019, and I used for 2 years, and it came with the two of the Apple stickers. But now this time Apple is not giving, I think so. So this is a very good color. In the pictures and the videos, you can't appreciate this color as much, but it's quite a good color. iPad is of somehow seems of the larger size than the S6 Lite that I have these days. I'm using these days. So this is a sky blue color folio, the same color as of my Samsung S6 Lite. Experience pretty much smooth, just like an iPad, and their iOS offer a very good experience. That's why I turned back to the iPad after 2 or 3 years from my Samsung S6 Lite that I'm typically using these days for making notes and reading books and some as a playback device. So I have set up this in a month or maybe 3 months. I will be giving the review after using this iPad, how it feels, and I will try to compare it with my S6 Lite or maybe with some Xiaomi tab later on. Till then, keep watching, keep sharing, and stay blessed.